County officials say so far since then, 167 cases have been confirmed, and they're expecting that number could possibly rise. And just yesterday, about 42 people were exposed to the virus here at Montefiore Nyack Hospital. Among those 42 people, pregnant women and children. And now this is at the same time that a ban that was meant to control and contain the virus has been lifted. And as you can imagine, some parents, they're surprised.
I wonder how you can enforce a ban like that. That's something that was a question that came across my head. It's like you could say you're not allowed in a public place, but there's not going to be somebody screening somebody at the front door of the Palisades Mall.
Jen Betts' children are vaccinated against the measles, a virus that causes fever, cough, runny nose, and rash.
You know, if we all get vaccinated, it keeps us safe.
A measles outbreak in Rockland County started in October, reaching at least 167 people. The county executive put an emergency order in place last week, banning unvaccinated children from public places to limit the virus from spreading. That ban, now lifted, caused Jen to take action.
My son is 2.5 and he wasn't due for his booster, but after I heard about the outbreak, I went in and the doctor said we could do it a little sooner, just to be, you know, an added layer of precaution to make sure we don't get sick.
According to the Centers for Disease Control, the MMR vaccine for measles, mumps, and rubella comes in 2 doses. The first at 12 to 15 months of age, the second 4 to 6 years old. Rohan Batra didn't get his son Romeo the second dose and supports the ban ending.
People should be able to be out here and, and play and interact. But I do think, folks should try to follow just some basic guidelines.
A state judge ruled in favor of several dozen parents challenging Rockland County Executive Ed Day's order. Day responded to the judge's decision, saying his executive team will meet Monday with legal and health professionals to identify new strategies to address the outbreak. Michael Sussman, the attorney representing the parents, feels Executive Day is playing catch-up.
Rather than quarantining the affected population, the county executive attempted to quarantine children who are healthy and who are not carriers of the disease. So I agree. The county should be doing something effective for the first time in 6 months.
Alexander Grant, who has a 3-year-old daughter, River, also didn't agree with the ban, but sees its benefit.
The fact that it was put in place just provides an excellent opportunity for more people, parents, and the community to become more informed.
So as you just heard Alexander Grant explaining having the community more informed. So there is a lot of chatter among those who do not believe in vaccines, others who do believe in vaccines. But since this ban has been implemented, there have been thousands of people that have been receiving those vaccinations to date. We're live in Nyack, Rockland County. Reagan Medji, Fox 5 News. Dan, back to you.
Reagan, thank you very much. Well, in New York City, there are almost 260 confirmed cases of measles. More than 200 are in the Orthodox Jewish communities of Williamsburg, Brooklyn. Unlike Rockland County, the city has not banned unvaccinated kids from stores and libraries. Mayor de Blasio, though, tweeting mandatory exclusions are in effect for certain yeshivas and daycares. Turning now to politics, President Trump attended the annual meeting of the Republican Jewish Coalition in Las Vegas today. In a speech, Trump thanked members for their support and said they will play an important role in his 2020 election campaign. Now, before the event, Trump met with